Welcome to Biomed Easy Talk. Vanakkam. Microscope was invented by Zacharias Janssen around 1950. Microscope is a tool that makes very tiny objects look bigger so we can see them clearly. For example, like zooming into a tiny leaf and seeing its small patterns and cells clearly. The principle of microscope is magnification using lenses to enlarge tiny objects for clear viewing. Types of microscope. Optical microscope use light to see a small things. Compound microscope see cells and tissues. Stereo microscope see 3D objects. Fluorescence microscope seeing glowing cells. Confocal microscope clear 3D images. Transmission electron microscope see inside cell. Scanning electron microscope shows surface in 3D using electrons. Atomic force microscope see atomic level surface. Digital microscope view on a screen. How microscope works? Microscope is the study of very small objects using in a microscope. Thank you.